Hello, good day. So in this video, I'll show you how to restore, set up, activate an iPhone with a broken home button. You won't be able to turn on voiceover accessibility without iTunes since the home button is broken. To proceed, you'll need a Mac or PC with iTunes installed. Open iTunes and connect your iPhone or iPad to your computer. Click your device on the upper left corner of iTunes window, then go to Summary. And in the Summary, go to Options, Configure Accessibility, and then turn on Voice over Accessibility.
SIM. Status bar item. Press home to set English. English. Button. Select your country or Philippines. Accessibility options. Double tap to dismiss pop vision. Heading.
Use three fingers to navigate the screen.
Display and text size. Display and text size. Double tap to dismiss pop-up window. Double tap to bold text. Smart invert. Page 2 of 2. Page 1 of 2. Back. Double tap to dismiss pop-up window. Button. Spoken content. Rows 2 to 9 of 9. Touch. Button. Touch. Heading. Assistive touch. Off. Assistive touch. Assistive touch. On. On. Double tap to dismiss pop-up window. Button. Back. Button. Back. Double. Select. Assistive. Setup. Access. Voiceover. Voiceover off.
So there you go. If you have an iPhone with a broken home button, you can just follow the procedure in this video so you can bypass the home screen wherein you have to press the home button to proceed